Hello everyone, today I have brought you all an eggless chocolate sponge cake recipe. This cake can be used as a perfect base for a chocolate pastry. Let us see the ingredients. After that we shall see the preparation step by step. First ingredient is cake flour. For making 1.5 cup of cake flour, I have replaced 1.5 tablespoon of maida with 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour from 1.5 cup of maida. I have explained it in my previous video. 4 tablespoon of cocoa powder. 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Next I have taken 1/4 cup of condensed milk. If you don't want to use condensed milk, you can replace it with powdered sugar. That means 1 cup of powdered sugar in total. Half teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon of baking soda. 1 and 1/4 cup of milk at room temperature. 1.5 tablespoon of vinegar. This is to curdle the milk and make buttermilk. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And we need half cup of refined oil. Let us see the preparation. First we need to make our buttermilk. For that I have added 1.5 tablespoon of vinegar to our milk, which is 1 and 1/4 cup. Stir it well and keep it aside until it curdles. Next step is sifting our dry ingredients together. So I am adding our cake flour to a sieve. Then all the dry ingredients one by one. 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Half teaspoon of baking soda. Half teaspoon of salt. 4 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And sift. This step is very important to make our cake fluffier and lighter. Dry ingredients are sifted and ready. Keep it aside. Now take a big bowl in which we are going to make our cake batter. I am adding our curdled milk. This is powdered sugar. We have taken 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. If you are not using condensed milk, you can use 1 full cup of powdered sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix it well. Here we don't have to use the electric beater and all. We just have to mix all these wet ingredients together. This powdered sugar and condensed milk have to dissolve in milk. Everything is mixed very well. Now I am going to add half cup of refined oil. This oil also we have to incorporate well into this milk mixture. Instead of oil you can use butter as well, but when you make pastry, if you add butter, when we keep it in fridge after decoration and all, it will become very hard. Now we are going to add our dry ingredients part by part to the liquid ingredients, and we are going to mix it well without forming any lumps. But we should not over mix. This is the time when all the baking powder, baking soda starts their chemical reaction and the air starts forming in the batter, and the batter will become lighter, and thus we get a lighter and spongier cake. So this step is very important. We should mix everything very gently. When all the dry ingredients have gone into the wet mixture, we have to start folding using a spatula. Scrape the sides properly and fold in. Now our cake batter is ready. We have to transfer it to our baking tin. I have lined a 7-inch cake tin with parchment paper or butter paper. We have to bake this cake for 40 minutes in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. In my oven it took almost 40 minutes. You have to check whether the skewer inserted is coming out clean. Now the cake is ready. I am transferring it to a wire rack so that it cools down completely. Remove the butter paper carefully. You can see how spongy the cake is. Making eggless sponge cake is easier than making cake with egg because that whole process of beating egg is not there in this one. I'm going to cut this cake. My cake is still hot. You should always cut after it cools down. See how spongy it is. It is perfect for a chocolate pastry. Everybody try this recipe at home. You can use it as a base for a chocolate pastry. And let me know how it have turned out. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Share it with all your friends and family. Thank you.